Hey, how's it going everyone? It's Sylvain here. Welcome to the channel. On today's video, we're going to talk about getting you a domain for your so brand name, domain name for your website. So before we do that, if you're new to the channel, on this channel we talk about making money online through affiliate network marketing, and then from time to time also be doing reviews of different products, to keep you in the loop. It's good for myself to learn a bit more products that's available out there, tools that you can use on a daily basis to facilitate your daily routine essentially. So yeah, on this one I wanted to talk about domains. So getting domains, so what does that mean? Well, it's your actually website address. So we're going to dive into that. I'm going to use about 4 to 5 different websites so you can get that, and then we'll just compare the prices on it, and then I'll just add on a few points as well on what you should really think about while selecting a domain and so on, so you brand with your business and then it makes sense. All right. So let's just go into that. So like I said, so we're going to use 4 different websites. So at the top here, I've got namecheap.com, I've got dynodot.com, I've got godaddy.com, pretty popular, well known as well, and then also Bluehost. So we're going to go in that and see what makes it. So for that video, I was trying to pick, a bunch of addresses, and then I ended up getting that one. So to get the .com, so it might be pretty good to get a .com domain. That's the most popular. So that might be one thing you might want to consider before you establish a name and so on, before you brand your business. Maybe get something that .com that probably make it, down the road, I'll probably make it more like known, relevant, that sort of thing. So trying to get something that's along those lines. I just bought a bunch of them yesterday, to rebrand my websites, my brand, and so on, and then you'll discover that in the next few days, just before the 1st of January there. So yeah, so in this one I picked I'm a new affiliate.com. I am a new affiliate. There you go. Yeah, so that one was available. I just wanted to show you something with I can display the prices and so on. So if you go Namecheap, it's pretty easy. Usually the main, if I go back probably one there, so right on the website you can just type it right in there. Affiliate. Alright, so let's search it that way. So it's really simple, and then we're gonna get different prices, different also domain extensions. Obviously there's some others that you might want to consider, but I think .com would probably be the best one to pick if it's available for your name, or at some point you might want to switch your name. So in my case, Accelerate Your Life. So Accelerate Your Life, the full words, so that was taken. I think .ca was taken as well. So now I was trying to put hyphen between the words. It's taken as well. So that's why I decided to go a different route for that way. Even though I might still use it as a slogan, but I might use a different website address. So you'll see that in the next little while. All right, so I'm a new affiliate.com, so $10.99 per year. So you would add it per cart. If you're using a website that's got SSL, so all the security, then you don't need to buy the actual SSL in there, right? So that would be your price. And now let's just go on different websites and compare the price of it. I'm a new. All right. So for Dynodot, it would be $13.25 per year. All right, so it's something you got to pay per year. If it's taken, you might want to consider making an offer to the person that it's got your domain name. It might be pricey, so depending on your name, so just consider that. Other extensions like IO, CO, that might do the trick, or CA if in Canada per se, but obviously you want to stick in .com as much as possible. So let's try this one here on GoDaddy. Oh, so that one's got a great offer. So $299 for the first year with a 2-year registration. So if you go 2 year, you're probably gonna pay $24 for the second year, but overall, maybe over the 2 years, you'd probably save as opposed. So it is a different way of doing it. So I just wanted to compare and see how you can shop for your domain names. I am a new affiliate.com on Bluehost, and then I think that one. So privacy plus protection, yeah. So that one's a bit more pricey. I think you got to buy that as well with GoDaddy. Correct me if I'm wrong on that. Dynadot, I think it's included. So the protection, your name protection is included, and also Namecheap, it's included as well. So myself, I've been using Namecheap for most of them, but I've heard this one is pretty good as well. I just, I was just gonna stick to that one. They're all under this, under my dashboard and so on. So yeah, so really what I wanted to display on this video was just, go out there, find a domain that makes sense. So your name, don't make it too long. Brand it for something that is suitable for your business. And then verify if the .com is available per se, or you might want to switch a few things, or maybe even consider a new name. And then go shop around on these different websites to come up with the best, solution, price for you, and so on. So $10.99 to start your business. It's not that bad, all right. So pay $11 Canadian. You got the protection in there, and if you're using, let's say I'm using Builderall, so you don't need to use the SSL certificate. So it's like $11, boom, it's done for the year, right? So it's pretty, and it's really important, right? You don't want to use all those if you're on ClickFunnels, all those addresses with CL, I think it's click MG or something like that, and then .com. Just go out there, find a website. Even if you're network marketing as well, you're selling essential oils or something like that, just get a brand name so you can change that page and then link it with your domain name. Is going to sound much better. Let's say you use your name per se as opposed to using Avon 1234 all that affiliate link or link that they use, right? So just brand your name out there. It's going to be way better, and then you can see the difference, I'm sure, over the long term with branding that to yourself. All right, so hopefully you liked this video. I wanted to keep it short, so just a quick, if you have any questions, make sure you put them in the comments below. Again, if you like this video and if it was good value to you, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon to be reminded of upcoming videos, and then we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.